In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get any data into Notion without typing. If you're someone who spends a lot of time organizing information, you'll know how cumbersome it can be to manually input every piece of data. Luckily, Notion offers a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by importing data directly from other apps and files. Let's dive in and see how you can do this seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace for all your wikis, documents, and projects in Notion. If you're already familiar with Notion, you know it as a highly versatile tool that can handle everything from personal to-do lists to major collaborative projects. Open up your browser and go to the Notion website. Once you're on the Notion homepage, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on Log In. If you're not yet logged in, enter your credentials to access your workspace. Remember, having all your data in one accessible spot can save you tons of time and improve productivity. After successfully logging in, your next stop is the Notion home. This is like your command center where everything begins. From here, you can navigate to all your existing notes, projects, and any other workspace components you might have. Look for the Home button, typically found in the top navigation bar, and click it to get to the home page. Now that you're on the Notion home, you want to proceed to the settings. This part is key because it's where you'll find the options to manage your workspace, including importing data. Look for the Settings option. It's usually located in the sidebar or under a menu. Just keep your eye out for the familiar gear icon or the word Settings. Once in the Settings page, you're going to look for the Import function. This is the beginning of the magic trick where you bring in data from external sources without typing a single word. Click on Import, which will guide you to the next window showing options for data import. Finally, the last step is to select Import data from other apps and files into Notion. This feature makes Notion a powerhouse by allowing you to integrate it with other tools you might be using. Think along the lines of Google Docs, Trello, or even Excel files. Choose the source of your data and follow the prompts to bring everything in. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Your data is now inside Notion, organized and ready to go. This streamlined process eliminates the need to manually type in loads of information and frees you up to focus on more strategic tasks. Keep exploring the different features Notion has to offer and see how they can further enhance your efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Notion tips.